Good morning. I hope y'all are having a great Thursday. We are here to do the second part of our popsicle stick airplane craft video. So we'll just go ahead and get started. I hope y'all enjoy this, and I hope you and your kiddos enjoy playing with it. All right, I'm going to flip this around so y'all can see what we're doing. All right, so this, of course, is going to be our final product. Yesterday, I did the video to glue together the 5 regular size popsicle sticks. We just a quick line of glue on each stick, sandwiched them together, and then rubber band them. So that way they could have a clamp of sorts to keep them in place while that glue dried. And then, so we'll take that off now. And so there you go. Whoop. They stayed together really well. All right, so we've got a couple of things that we need to do. So with the 2 of the small popsicle sticks, we're going to go ahead and make our propeller. So it's really simple. And there are still plenty of craft bags if y'all want to come pick these up. And then you can do them with your kiddos over the weekend. Oh, my glue doesn't want to. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue. We're going to make an X shape. And then we're going to let that sit and dry for a minute. All right, so now we have, this is the body of our airplane. The largest popsicle sticks, these are our wings. So it's just kind of I just kind of eyeball it. So you'll put some glue there. And sideways. And like I said, the hardest part of this whole craft is waiting for it to dry. So some of this might be easier if you wait until like after dinner and y'all have cleaned up from dinner, and then we're gonna put this airplane together, and then we're gonna set it on the table or on the shelf and or on the counter and let it dry overnight. And then in the morning, it would be good and dry, and they can decorate it or play with it, you know, if they don't want to decorate it. Now here, you can do another quick little clamp to hold this together. These rubber bands are pretty stretchy, and then that way it just kind of holds it in place, and you can even it out because you see how it kind of twists in there. I'll get this in a second. All right. There we go. So, all right. Just gonna, I'll fix that rubber band in a second. All right, so now these are our tail fins. Just put some glue down here, and we will set these right on top. Like until the glue dries, it's going to be a little delicate. Then we will put some glue at the tip of the airplane. Pick up our propellers. Just kind of balance that on there as best we can. And I kind of propped it. I knocked those loose. When I do these for the first time, it's like, oh yeah. Whenever I do them for y'all, I always kind of make a mess of things. Just hold that on there for a second. Alright, and then you'll want to let that hang off the end of a table. So that way the propellers don't get knocked off. So and then we'll just let it sit and dry until it's all done. You take the rubber bands off and you've got this little airplane that you can then paint, color with markers, leave it just as it is. And it's a biplane. I want to say I'm calling this correctly. If I'm not, guys, I'm so sorry. But it has two wings, and this is the kind of plane that Bessie Coleman used to fly. So that is why we made the plane that we made. Well, I hope that y'all enjoy that, and that y'all have a lot of fun playing with your airplanes, and y'all have a great week, and we will see y'all next week.